What are we ordering, Paris?
We'll have free
Free what?
cheese.
And what else?
Free hamburgers. I'm saying no bags to go away.
Yeah, go away, Bugs.
Go away, go bags.
Go.
Go fly up there, Ollie. And go to the night. Come to me.
Alam niyo ba guys, nahihirapan ako ngayon kasi we're going?
I'm going to Daddy now.
Time to go to Daddy now?
Yeah, it is.
Because
Daddy's waiting.
Daddy's waiting for us. Come on, open the door so we can go. Oh, uy! Ayun nga na anak. Bungka gutong pertahan na niyo.
Yeah, I did it.
Can you hold it for mommy, please?
Yeah?
Thank you. Hold it for mommy, please.
Which one?
This wire door. Thank you. We can go now. Honey, can you open the mailbox for Mama, please? Because we need to put it in there.
This one?
Yes. Ayan. So, may bumili ng dress ko, guys.
Mommy,
And then,
this
sabi
is
ko,
what
aalis na kami.
Now open.
And then, sabi ko, ilalagay ko na lang sa loob ng mailbox. And dyan na lang niya ilalagay yung pera. No, walang trust issue talaga to si Mami, guys. Kung hindi niya ilalagay ang pera. Karma is real. Okay.
La 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 la.
La, 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 la. Good afternoon, everyone. Come here, anak. Ayan. Kakalabas lang namin ng bahay. It's now, magwa 1 o'clock na siya ng hapon. And, where are we going, nak? Where are we going?
Shopping and see Daddy.
Shopping. We're just gonna go see Daddy. Uy, sige lang kag-shopping. But where's Daddy?
In the gym.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
So, si Daddy Mike, guys, pumunta siya ng gym kanina. Tapos, sabi niya, gusto niya mag-lunch kami together sa labas. Okay, we'll go lunch first. Kaya, mag-meet kami doon sa, shops.
I want to go to the park.
Yeah, we will go to the shops later. To the park later with Daddy. Tingnan nyo, guys. Oh, okay na daw dyan. Hindi pa ako nakapunta, pero sabi ni Daddy Mike, they open it up.
I'm waiting for you to go to the park now.
You're waiting for me? We have to go in the car first to see Daddy.
Oh, but we need to go backwards.
Wait, careful. Wait, there might be a car. Come on, go in the car now.
Mama?
The plant doesn't talk. You talk too much. Kinakausap niya ang plant, guys.
Do you ask much?
Hmm?
Do you talk too much?
You do. Come on now.
Mommy?
The daddy's waiting. Oh, daddy's messaging mama na. Come on.
This ant's coming.
Yeah, just leave the ants alone, sweetheart. Come on, the door is open. Thank you, my love.
Okay, thank you. What about over here?
Yep.
And now I will go play. I will play all by myself.
Thank you, sweetie. We're here, madam.
And then myself.
Madam Gazelle. Are you Madam Gazelle?
Now let it play.
You're Peppa Pig. Come on. Bring your water, please, okay? I want you to drink a lot of water. There you go. Okay. Come down. Look what you're doing, Paris.
It's dying.
That is here.
It's dying to Jamie.
No, not to the Jamie. I think to the Jamie's close.
The sea, Mama.
Oh,
The
careful.
sea.
We'll go and see. Here you go. You hold it for Mama. Excuse me.
Mama, how are you? There's more 6 of them.
Oh, yeah.
but it's
That's new.
Yeah, it's open now. They're finished.
They're finished. This way, anak.
La 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 la.
Turn left.
Where's Daddy gone, Mommy?
Turn left.
Where's Daddy gone?
We'll go find out. Come on. Quick na, nak. It's cold, nak. Ala, gumanda na yung dito, oh. Nilinisan nila. That's very nice. Sweetheart, someone's coming.
Hi,
George.
Liga. Asan kaya si Daddy? Toro.
Mommy!
No, presyo.
Is that toy shop?
Not in the toy shop, honey. There, Toro Cafe.
I've only got two sizes, so hopefully this one is the
Look, here.
Here. Inside here. Yeah, push. Push. Go find Daddy. Where's Daddy? Oh, there is Daddy.
God, did you just say, oh my God?
Daddy, for free.
What are we ordering, Paris?
For free.
Free one.
Free cheese.
And what else?
Free hamburgers. More hamburger and free hamburgers.
Naksama ka na.
Mommy, want free hamburgers here.
Oh,
Yeah, relax, honey, okay?
Are you excited?
Relax, okay? We're gonna get a hamburger.
I want free.
This is red. Masho.
She doesn't want yellow, she wants red.
Muscle.
You have to blow it, okay?
That's pink.
You can use that spin.
What's red?
Honey.
What am I doing, Mary? What?
Blow it. Well, thank you. Yay!
You don't need
How much
marshmallow.
money?
That's Paris's one.
That's mine.
Moments later.
Ayan, hala. First time kong nakabalik dito ba? Ito yung park sa harapan ng bahay, oh. Ah, anong nabago? Tingnan natin. Did you notice na wala kaming punta-punta dito, guys? Ah, hala. Ibang-iba na. Oh my goodness. Oh, meron na silang ganito. Ano to? Barbecue or what? Hala. Hala, ang laki na ng diferensya ba ng park? Kung matagal na kayo nakasubaybay sa amin, alam na alam nyo tong park na to. It looks so different, Daddy.
Push Paris for a sec. Just gotta play basketball play.
Oh my God. It looks so different, anak. Boom, boom.
It won't fall me down.
Huh?
It won't fall me down.
You won't fall down?
Yeah.
Hala, tingnan niyo. Oh, hala, may pa-barbecue na sila doon. They have a big slide, Nak. They have a big slide now too, Nak.
Look it down, Mommy.
Huh? Daddy Mike, ay nandun na, oh. Nag-basketball na.
Let's stop this. No. Stop it.
Okay.
I'm gonna get that out.
Okay.
I can't get out.
Okay, come on.
I can't.
Oh, it looks so good. Yan, na-close to nila mga ilang months, guys. I think since
I
Feb.
want to see the picture.
Brrr. Gee, that's a big slide, Nak. Oh. Come, this way. We can't do that big one yet, nak. Sobrang taas. Oh. We can do this one.
I'm just scared, Mommy.
This one here.
Already?
Come on.
For daddy, wait for daddy.
You can't talk.
No, you gotta wait for daddy.
Bab, ha? Bantay ka, Bab. That's too high, Bab. It's very hard. Do this small first. The small one first.
For daddy?
Hold
Hold on.
I'm not done, Mama.
Bantay ka, gidnak.
It's not trained, right?
Stay up. Come here first, come here. Come here.
Tingnan nyo,
Laka, laka.
oh. Sobrang
Let
taas
go.
kasi.
Hold on, daddy. Let go.
Oh, look at Parcel.
Tanaan na bitang amahan. No, just do the small first, Bab.
Let's go on the side one first.
Hadlok ka, guys. Ay, oh, tingnan nyo.
Yeah.
You can do it. This one. Paris, come. Higher.
I can see the sky.
You can. Come on. Show Mom maybe he slide.
Someone on the side.
Boom. Vic, come on.
I can see one like this is the beach slide thing.
It is. 1, 2. Whoa! Good job.
We'll go across. I can do it with her.
We're watching it. No, one on Parcel did this. You can't get a ball about Montana. Why, Dad? You can't do it. 我就觉得可以爬上去一下。是假的，我还是玩。
That's moving, Babha. Careful. Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Time check tayo mga peeps. It's now 3 o'clock ng hapon and nandito na kami sa loob ng bahay. Sobrang ginaw sa labas kahit nakalabas si Haring Araw, guys. Actually, ako pala yung nauna dito. Sumunod lang si Paris at si Daddy Mike kasi willing-willing pa si Paris doon sa kanyang bagong park. Did you like your park, na?
Yeah.
It's a new one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, may oras pa tayo, guys. Alam niyo yung gagawin namin next. Gusto ko lang mag-relax muna konti, guys. Oh, kasi sa ating baby Celine ay sobrang... Oh my God. Yang aking tummy ay gumaganon-ganon talaga, oh. Pero, super excited ako kasi yung gagawin natin next is... pipick upin natin yung ginataang bilo-bilo from Ate Richelle. So, remember last time, pinakita ko sa inyo yung mga kakanin. Yes. Tapos kanina, nakalimutan ko na, hindi ko na inisip talaga, guys. But then, nag-scroll ako sa Facebook, nakita ko yung post niya na nagpapakita siya ng bilo-bilo. Kaya yun, sabi ko, mag-order ako ng dalawang serves. So, yun yung gagawin namin. And then, para productive naman tayo today. So, before namin pipick upin yung ginataang bilo-bilo, dadalhin namin to. Tingnan nyo, guys. What are you eating, Nak? What are you eating?
Cookies.
Crackers. Yung crackers. Show Tita B, your crackers. Wow, there's lots of crackers. Tingnan nyo, oh. So, nilabahan ko na yan. Ayan. So, punong-puno na yan. Ida-drop natin siya sa doon sa kung saan pwede natin siyang i-dry. Kasi malapit lang yun dito sa bahay, 'di ba? So, we'll drop that. Tapos 40 minutes, tuyok-tuyok, ma-dry na siya. And then, when we come back from picking up the bilo-bilo, then dry na yan siya, o, 'di ba? So, parang ginamit talaga yung oras ba? Kasi sayang man. Marami pa akong tutupiin dito. Alam niyo ba guys, nahihirapan ako ngayon kasi sinauli ko na yung laptop na ginagamit ko sa work, sa trabaho ko, 'di ba? Last week. Last week ba? Oo. Tapos ngayon, yun kasi yung ginagamit ko sa YouTube ko, guys. So, at the moment, medyo nahihirapan ako kasi phone lang yung ginagamit ko for everything. So, from editing, iMovie, tapos uploading, tapos paglagay ng mga ads, paglagay ng description, paglagay ng tags, ganun. So, much easier kasi siya kapag sa laptop mo ginawa. Ang hirap sa phone, guys. Today, sa phone ko ginawa at sobrang nahirapan talaga ako. So, I might have a look sa Facebook Marketplace kung meron silang kahit yung cheap lang na laptop ba. I think sabi ni Daddy Mike, magagamit ko naman yung laptop niya. But then, Daddy Mike is not home all the time, di ba? Kaya anak, Mama's talking on, it's moving. So sit here and then we'll watch after this. Okay? Kaya yun, si Daddy Mike nag-work sa opisina. So, kapag nasa opisina siya, so it means hindi ako makakaano talaga. Kailangan kong gamitin yung phone ko. So, hopefully may makita tayong parang cheap lang na na laptop online sa Facebook Marketplace para magamit natin for uploading ng ating baby girl. Buang naman ni si What are you doing? Ala, I can see your bum bum. I can smell your duk-duk.
You can smell a wee wee.
Yeah, I can. I can smell your wee wee. Open the door, honey.
No.
Sige na, ala, Daddy's gone. Daddy's leaving us. We're gonna dry the clothes. And we'll pick up the binignit. Ikaw na, be? Binignit.
Banana.
Careful. Come on. Jump. 1.
No, too much jump.
Ambot na lang ni mo pa rin siyang. Anong oras na guys? I think it's 3:30. Wala pa to siya nagnap. Ayan. Suki-suki na yan siya. Sleeping na naman. Nak, get the anak oh. Here. So, pinick up na pala ni ate guys yung ating dress. So, ayan. Dito niya nilagay. Sabi niya nilagay niya dito. Oh, ayan. $20. Say, Daddy?
Press the button.
Come na, honey.
Excuse me, princess.
Come on, sweetie. Come on. No, please.
A few moments later.
What happened?
No bugs.
There's no more bugs?
No more.
No more. There's bugs there. Kakauwi lang namin, guys, from the... Tingnan nyo. Ang aking bilo-bilo ay
The
nandyan.
bug will get steady.
What happened, Nak?
That one will get steady.
Ayan. Ito siya ay maganda ang kanyang mood na kasi nakatulog na siya sa sasakyan.
Don't say no bugs. Go away.
Yeah, go away, bugs.
Go away, go bugs.
Go.
Go fly up there, Ollie. And go to the night.
Go to the night. Don't come to me.
Don't come to me. I'm walking backwards on the bag door catch.
Nak, you fell asleep, Nak, no? Alisa, Nak. Nak. You missed to go in the... Hang on. Come.
Filipinos.
Some Filipino shop.
Yep.
Because...
Because I'm really not asleep.
Yeah, you were asleep. That's why you didn't see Tita Rachel.
But I meant to go inside too.
Yeah, we didn't go inside.
But
Tita Rachel came out and, she gave me the binignit.
I meant to go inside too.
Yeah, when we go to the Filipino shop, we'll go inside, okay?
Me?
Yes,
And Daddy will come with me.
that's right.
I
Oh,
think
nala, nak, pick that up, nak. That's baby Celine's mitten. Hala na, pagod na sa...
I forgot this one.
Daddy dropped it, I think.
Hey, this is today.
Put that in the basket.
Celine. Dropped it. We are home. Tingnan niyo ang dalawa. Tingnan niyo ang dalawa. What are you doing? Wow. They're watching... What's the title of this study?
Stickman.
Stickman. Stickman. Ayan. Papakita ko sa inyo quickly yung nabili natin na bilo-bilo. Oh my God. May langka pa guys. Tingnan nyo oh. Iinitin ko to. Kainin natin. And, may pasobra pa si Ate Rachel. Thank you, te, sa suman. Until next Saturday, kasi every Saturday lang yata nagluluto si Ate Rachel. And, yung ating mga tutupiin. So, yan. Tutupiin yan yun nung na-dry na mga damit na. Mostly, mga damit yan ni Baby Celine. Yung mga binili ko na bago at saka yung ukay-ukay. Ayan. So, na-dry na. Ayan. So, yan yung gagawin natin tonight hanggang sa mapulong tayo. Kasi sobrang dami.
Did you see this one?
Enjoy na enjoy siya sa kanyang...
Did you see this one when you were at SeaWorld?
No, it's a pangolin.
Yeah, Pangolin.
Pikalan?
I see the pangolin.
Is a pikalan or pelican?
Pangolin.
Scatterland.
Right.
Alam ko si mama. Alam niyo bang 8:30 na guys? Grabe, sobrang bilis ng oras. Nakatapos ko lang makipag-video ko sa aking family sa Pilipinas. At kumakain sila ng kanin with, yun bang pinirito na itlog ba? Alam niyo guys, gaya-gaya po tumaya si mami niyo. Ayan. Parang nagutom ako guys. Sinignan ko yung sister ko, kumakain pati yung pamangkin ko na maliit. Kumakain ng itlog. Sabi ko, magluluto din ako ng sa akin. Kaya yan. Mag-scrambled egg din tayo. Especially kasi may rice ako from kailan pa yun? Last night. Makakain ko pa yan. Nakakagutom talaga guys. Iba kasi pag ano, alam niyo yung pag marami kayong kumakain, no? Enjoy na enjoy. Tapos siya kasi kumakain yung mama ko, kumakain yung sister ko, kumakain yung pamangkin ko. Oh, ayun. Jealous si ate niyo, jealous. Lagyan natin ng magic syrup para masarap. Ang ating baby girl pala ay nandun sa kanyang daddy. Nandun sila sa kwarto. Itong tatlo na lang kasi tatlo na lang yung naiwan eh. Ayan, ubusin ko na lang. Tapos, makakain na si Buntis. Bakit kaya ganun guys, no? Kapag buntis ka, palagi kang gutom. Gutom all the time. Kakatapos ko lang din kasing mag-transfer ng mga videos from my camera to my phone. Kasi mag-i-edit na naman tayo ng video for tomorrow. Alam niyo ba? Yun nga sabi ko guys, uy. Hirap ng ano, maghanap talaga ako ng laptop ba. Kasi meron akong laptop before, yung Mac. Binigay ko sa sister ko. Tapos, ngayon, hindi ko naman kailangan nung ayoko ng ano, Mac. Kasi, I felt, parang complicated ba. Mabuti yung, yung Google lang bitaw. Yung HP, yung mga ganun lang. Mga Windows lang ba. Meron sigurong cheap online. Bibili ako para mas mabilis yung pag-upload ko. Ayan. Na-excite naman ako ay. Lutuin ko muna to guys. Vanilla please.
I'm getting a banana. I'm coming right up.
You're coming right up.
Okay, let's come in here. One more.
Can I have strawberry as well?
Of course. Look at how many. You can just have one. Look, one. Ah! What happened?
What happened? What happened to my vanilla ice cream?
It's okay, Mommy. I'm just going to make it inside.
Okay. I'm waiting. Nandito kami sa kabilang kwarto kasi yung daddy niya ay natutulog na. Kami na lang dalawa yung gising. It's 10:30. Nak, dili init imong lubot di, anak?
Mommy, it's ice cream. Mommy, it's ice cream.
Nak, get away from the heater, nakbi. Kaya magkatul-katul na po gadiya. Can I have the orange, please?
Of course. Look how orange.
Thank you.
Now, choose this one. Choose this one.
Guys.
Might choose this.
Yes.
Might choose this one.
I'll have the mint. I'll try. Thank you.
You want more?
I'm alright, thank you. Anyways, guys, na natin yung vlog natin dito, ha? Kasi, bakit ang dilim dito sa kwartong to? We'll just do a quick shout out, and then Paris and I will go to bed. Aren't we, honey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Shout out to Charlene Rafales, Leia Coutura, Salvacion Miguel, Maria Seno, Arlene Hoover, Karen Joyce Ubas, Joanne Owano, Emelita Gonzalez, Maria Teresa Rose de los Santos, Elizabeth Donila, Novero Yoli, Donna D. Hor, Ayen Capena, Vea Havison, Hilaska, Cryan M, Winnie Dozon, Bing Salvisalan, Ani Sarabosing, Emmy Garcia, Belen de Jesus, and Alena Risoles. Ayan. Thank you very much, guys, for watching today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good. And if you can't,
Caroline.